All right, guys, we got to talk about this celery juice craze that's been taking over. It seems like everyone and their grandma is suddenly downing cups of the green stuff every morning. Now, I'm always a little skeptical when something sounds too good to be true. And let's be honest, celery hasn't always been the sexiest vegetable on the block, but I'm also all about giving credit where credit is due. So, in the name of science and separating fact from fiction, we're diving deep into the world of celery juice. We're going to break down the potential benefits, the risks, and whether or not this trend is worth hopping on. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with all the knowledge you need to decide if celery juice deserves a spot in your fridge. Let's do it! So let's talk gut health. We all know that good digestion is the foundation of a healthy body. It's how we absorb nutrients, maintain energy, and even impacts our mood. And you know I'm all about that gut-brain connection. Now, proponents of celery juice claim it can work wonders for your digestion. They say it increases stomach acid production, which helps break down food more efficiently. And you know what? They're not totally wrong. Celery does contain a naturally occurring compound that can stimulate stomach acid. But here's the thing. Low stomach acid isn't always the culprit behind digestive issues. In fact, many people actually suffer from too much stomach acid. So, if you're prone to heartburn, acid reflux, or ulcers, chugging celery juice could actually make things worse. Not what we want. The bottom line, if you're struggling with digestive problems, don't just jump on the celery juice bandwagon. Talk to your doctor, figure out the root cause, and get personalized advice. All right, let's talk inflammation. It's a hot topic these days, and for good reason. Chronic inflammation is linked to a whole host of health problems, from heart disease to cancer. Now, celery juice enthusiasts claim that it's a powerful anti-inflammatory. They point to its antioxidant content, specifically these compounds called flavonoids, as the reason behind its magical powers. And you know what? They're onto something. Flavonoids are pretty awesome. They're like little warriors that fight off free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and contribute to inflammation. But here's the catch: celery juice isn't the only source of flavonoids. You can find them in tons of fruits, vegetables, and even dark chocolate. So, while celery juice can contribute to your overall antioxidant intake, it's not a magic bullet. A balanced diet rich in a variety of colorful fruits and veggies is still your best bet for fighting inflammation. Chapter 3. Celery juice for glowing skin, myth or reality? Okay, let's be real. Who doesn't want glowing skin? It's like the ultimate sign of health and vitality, a reflection of how well we take care of ourselves. Over the years, countless remedies and treatments have been touted as the secret to achieving that perfect glow. From expensive creams to elaborate skincare routines, the quest for radiant skin never ends. And naturally, the beauty world has jumped on the celery juice bandwagon, claiming it can clear up acne, reduce wrinkles, and give you that coveted radiant complexion. But is there any truth to these claims? So what's the deal? Is celery juice really the miracle elixir it's made out to be, or is it just another passing trend? Well, let's start with the basics. Celery juice does contain a decent amount of water, which is crucial for keeping skin hydrated and plump. Hydration is key to maintaining healthy skin, as it helps to flush out toxins and keep your skin cells functioning properly. Dehydration can definitely make your skin look dull and accentuate fine lines. When your skin is well hydrated, it appears more vibrant and youthful. Plus, celery is a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in collagen production. Collagen is essential for maintaining the skin's structure and elasticity. Collagen is what keeps our skin firm and elastic, so getting enough vitamin C is definitely a good thing. It helps to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and supports the skin's natural repair process. But here's the thing. Topical treatments are generally much more effective for targeting specific skin concerns. While drinking celery juice can contribute to overall skin health, it's not a substitute for a well-rounded skincare routine. Drinking celery juice alone is unlikely to magically erase years of sun damage or hormonal breakouts. It's important to manage expectations and understand that no single remedy can address all skin issues. So, while staying hydrated and getting enough vitamin C is great for overall skin health, don't expect celery juice to be your miracle cure. It's a helpful addition to a balanced diet and skincare regimen, but not a standalone solution. Remember, achieving glowing skin is a combination of good nutrition, proper hydration, and effective skincare practices. Chapter 4. Can celery juice really boost heart health? Alright guys, let's talk about the big one, heart health. It's a topic that affects everyone, regardless of age, gender, or lifestyle. Our hearts work tirelessly, pumping blood and delivering oxygen to every part of our body. So it's crucial to keep them healthy and strong. It's no secret that heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, so it's no wonder we're always looking for ways to keep our tickers in tip-top shape. From regular exercise to a balanced diet, there are many strategies to maintain heart health. But what about celery juice? Now, celery juice advocates claim that it can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and even detoxify the body. They say it's a miracle drink that can work wonders for your heart, and basically act as a shield against heart problems. But how much of this is backed by science and how much is just hype? So, is there any truth to these claims? Let's dive deeper into the science behind celery and its potential benefits for heart health. Well, celery does contain a compound called phthalate, which has been shown to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. This relaxation of blood vessels can help reduce the pressure on the arterial walls, which has been shown to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Improved blood flow can definitely contribute to lower blood pressure, which is a key factor in maintaining heart health. And improved blood flow can definitely contribute to lower blood pressure. Regular consumption of celery juice might help in this regard, but it's important to remember that it's not a magic bullet. But here's the thing. The research on celery juice specifically, and its effects on heart health is still pretty limited. Most of the studies have focused on celery extract or isolated compounds rather than the juice itself. Most studies have been done on celery extract or isolated compounds, not the juice itself. This means that while the components of celery are beneficial, we can't say for certain that drinking celery juice will have the same effects. So, while incorporating celery juice into a heart-healthy diet is probably a good idea, it's best to view it as a complementary addition rather than a primary solution. Pair it with other heart-healthy foods like leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains. Don't rely on it as your sole line of defense. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen. Remember, a holistic approach to heart health is always the best strategy. Chapter 5. Celery Juice Detox, Separating Hype from Reality. Okay, let's talk detox. The word itself has become synonymous with restrictive diets, expensive juices, and promises of a cleansed body. But here's the thing. Your body is a detoxifying machine all on its own. The word detox has become a buzzword in the health and wellness industry. It's often associated with restrictive diets, expensive juice cleanses, and the promise of a purified, toxin-free body. But let's take a step back and understand what detoxification really means. Your body is a detoxifying machine all on its own. Every day, your liver, kidneys, and digestive system work tirelessly to filter out toxins and waste products. These organs are incredibly efficient at what they do, and they don't need any special help from expensive juices or restrictive diets. Your liver, kidneys, and digestive system are like the unsung heroes of your body. They work around the clock to keep you healthy by filtering out harmful substances and waste products. This natural detoxification process is something your body does every single day, without any extra help. You don't need a fancy juice cleanse to do that. In fact, many of these so-called detox products can be more harmful than helpful. They can be expensive, and some can even disrupt your body's natural balance. What you really need is to support your body's natural detoxification processes with a healthy diet and plenty of water. Now, celery juice proponents claim that it acts as a natural diuretic, meaning it helps flush out excess water and toxins through urination. And you know what? They're not wrong. Celery does contain electrolytes and minerals that can promote urination. And you know what? They're not wrong. Celery does contain electrolytes and minerals that can promote urination. But here's the catch. So does water. Drinking water is one of the simplest and most effective ways to support your body's natural detoxification processes. Celery does contain electrolytes and minerals that can promote urination. But here's the catch. So does water. And it's much more effective at keeping you hydrated, which is crucial for your body's natural detoxification processes. But here's the catch. So does water. And it's much more effective at keeping you hydrated, which is crucial for your body's natural detoxification processes. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys and liver function optimally, ensuring that toxins are efficiently flushed out of your system. And it's much more effective at keeping you hydrated, which is crucial for your body's natural detoxification processes. Drinking enough water each day supports your kidneys and liver, helping them to function at their best. This, in turn, ensures that toxins are efficiently removed from your body, So, while drinking celery juice might make you pee a little more often, it's not doing anything magical that your body can't already do on its own. In the end, the best way to support your body's natural detoxification processes is to maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and avoid unnecessary toxins. Remember, your body is already equipped with everything it needs to keep you healthy and toxin-free. So there you have it, guys. We've explored the potential benefits and drawbacks of celery juice. And the verdict? Well, it's not a miracle cure-all, but it's not just hype either. Celery juice can be a healthy addition to your diet, providing hydration, antioxidants, and some potential digestive and heart-healthy benefits. But remember, it's not a magic bullet. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and managing stress are still the cornerstones of optimal health. If you're considering adding celery juice to your routine, talk to your doctor, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more evidence-based health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, my friends.